Hello everyone, I'm Reza Salehi and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a cloud consultant and trainer. I started my career in the software industry in year 2000 with game development and delivering IT training. As you will find out, I'm very passionate about teaching. It gives me the opportunity to share what I've learned in my projects. I'm also passionate about cloud computing and have helped many clients adapt to and utilize both Azure and AWS clouds. This experience helped me to train thousands of students through my in-person training as well as Pluralsight and O'Reilly Media courses. So let's get into the business. First, let's guess why you are here. You probably are here because you are curious about Azure Cognitive Services. Is it worth investing time and effort? What does it do anyway? Let's make sure we are all in the right course. To begin with, you are a software developer or architect. You are working on an application, but it is not an ordinary one. You need this software to be aware of the environment. It needs to listen, see, understand, and even decide like any human would do, but without any human help or intervention. You would install this application in a secured premises to monitor the security camera footage and issue an alert should any unauthorized person walk in. Or it could be a translation software. It will take sentences in English and gives the German translation, a human-like translation. It could be a software installed on a drone. This drone will patrol the forest and look for possible starting fires. Need more samples? I have a few more for you. It could be a more serious scenario. You are writing a monitoring software for a nuclear power plant. It needs to receive data from heat sensors and issue an alert if there is an unsafe spike in the temperature. A latency would be tragic. It could be a software for visually impaired individuals. They will pass an image to it and it will come back reading aloud what is in the picture. Very cool stuff. And finally, you could be developing software for an observatory. This software will ingest pictures taken by a telescope and tells you if the object in the picture is a galaxy or nebula. I still can go on and on with many examples, but I'm sure you get the idea. You need a smart application. An application which can act as a human and decide on its own when needed. So, can you develop the logic for this application from scratch, say in C# or C++? If you spend years coding, maybe, but we don't want to reinvent the wheel. What are we trying to achieve here is the very definition of machine learning. You train a machine to be human-like. That's it. There is only one small problem. You are a software developer or architect. Machine learning is not your field of expertise, and your small or mid-sized company is not ready to hire a machine learning expert just for this project. Wait, don't give up. This is not 2005. There is a solution now. You can indeed develop smart applications without any AI or machine learning expertise using Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services APIs. All you need to know is a programming language and how to call a RESTful API. Ain't it great? Azure Cognitive Services are a bundle of APIs hosted and maintained by Microsoft. Call them machine learning as a service if you like. These APIs are categorized into 5 groups: decision, vision, speech, search, and language. There are several APIs under each category, and each of these categories are designed for a different scenario. Many of these services offer free tiers, so you can try them for free. So, what should you expect from this course? Well, I guarantee that by end of this course, you'll know all the APIs under Cognitive Services. You can list them all. You will know if any of these APIs can help you develop your smart application or not. And yes, there might be a not. You will understand a use case for each and every of these APIs. I will provide extensive Microsoft documentation for your reference. And most important, you will gain hands-on experience with many real-life demos I have designed for this course. Do I have your attention now? I hope to meet you in this course and the next ones. Thank you, and let's get started.